Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you an overview of the best website builder. In the videos that follow, I'll go much more in depth on all the different tools and how to use them to create a stunning new website for your company. Let's log in and take a look. Alright, once you're logged in, let's take a look at this top toolbar. The first thing we're going to look at is the Design tab. Once you click there, this is where you can customize the look and feel for your entire site. This is where you can upload your logo, type a tagline for your company, change the background image, adjust the color palette, or select different fonts to use on your site. Next, let's take a look at the Pages tab. Once you click there, this is where you can reorder the pages of your site. This is where you can rename a page, hide a page. Also, this is where you can add a new page, a new off-site link, or a new drop-down menu. And in this section right here, this is very important. This is where you can input the SEO data for this page. In a previous video, we talked at length on how important this information is. So be sure to go back to that video and make sure that you understand the formula that we've provided before entering that information here. Next, let's take a look at the Settings tab. This is where you can enter the global SEO data for your site. You can change your password. Also, this is where you can assign or buy a domain name for your site. Next, let's take a look at the Stats tab by clicking here. Now, the site I'm using right now is just for training purposes, so I'm not going to have any stats to show you. But for your site, this is where you're going to be able to see all of the unique visits to your site, page views, total time users spend on your site. This is very important data that will show you how many people are coming to your site and where they're coming from. This information is pulled from Google Analytics, so you'll have to make sure to connect that. Next, let's take a look at the preview link right here. When we click preview, this is a really cool feature. I love this. This is where you can actually see what your site's going to look like on multiple devices. Very helpful when you're designing. It opens up a new tab, so I'm just going to close that, and now we're back into the editor. Now, I'm going to hide this, and let's take a look at the content creation tool. This is where you can add different types of posts to your page. This is where all the content is going to come from. There's several different posting types to choose from: text, image, gallery, slideshow. There's a lot of different options, but once you've added one, you'll see it show up on the page below. Once you select a post, you know it's selected because you can see the blue lines around the edges. That's where you can delete the post, hide a post. You can move it to another page. You can clone or copy it. You can move it up or down. You can also adjust the row settings and then edit the post content. Like I said, I'm going to go much more in depth on all the different tools in the next videos, but thanks for watching and getting a glimpse at what the best website builder can do.